Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify system health in your Windows. Now, uh, in most cases seeing 100% CPU usage for a split second when you first open Task Manager is normal behavior and not a cause for concern. So Task Manager is an application itself. Launching it requires the CPU to load the program into memory and immediately scan every active process and its resource consumption. So for the first second or two, Task Manager may display a placeholder or a high first read value while it accurately calculates the usage metrics for each core. So when you should be worried is you should investigate further only if the usage remains at 100% for several minutes or if your computer is consistently slow, freezing or crashing. So now let's go and verify system health. So let's press Windows key on your keyboard and R to open up this run and type in here resmon like that and hit OK. And this window needs to pop up. As you can see, I will open up like that. So here you can check CPU tab if usage is low here but 100% in Task Manager, it is likely a reporting delay in Task Manager. So this Task Manager is this one right here. So if it's high up here and low up here, then it causing some delay. And yeah, as I mentioned, this is totally normal. If it's not that you have 100% several minutes, then start to check what program you have opened or something that this thing remains at 100%. Intensive background tasks are some Windows updates, antivirus scans, or file indexing. Then you have malware, and so on. Hardware issues, those build up on fans can lead to thermal throttling, forcing the CPU to work harder at lower speeds. So yeah, basically this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.